In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use BIDMAS to carry out the correct order of mathematical operations. In this example, we have 9 divided by 3, add 4, multiply by 2. If we do it the way it's actually written, we will do 9 divided by 3, which gives you 3, plus 4 times 2. Then we will do 3 add 4, which gives you 7, times 2. And then 7 times 2 equals 14. But in actual fact, that's not the correct answer. BIDMAS tells us the correct order we should do the operation. B stands for bracket, so we do brackets first if it's in there. I stand for indices or power, so we do that next. And then we've got D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction. So let's use BIDMAS to check if the answer we got is actually correct. We can use brackets to separate what we should do first. Notice that divide is the first thing we need to do, looking at BIDMAS. So I'm going to put a bracket around that to separate that operation. Then the next thing we want to do is multiplication, because multiplication comes after division. So we put a bracket around that to separate them. So if we do 9 divided by 3, we get 3. 4 times 2 is 8. If we add those two together, we get 11, which is different from the 14 we originally got. So this is how we use BIDMAS to carry out the correct order of mathematical operations. In the second example, we have 60 minus 5 times 3 squared plus 4 times 2. Well, in the operation, I could see indices first, which is the square one. So I'm going to put a bracket around that. 60 take away 5. 3 squared is 9, so times 9, plus 4 times 2. Next, if I look in my BIDMAS, multiplication comes before anything else. So I'm going to put a bracket around the multiplications. 5 times 9 is 45, plus 4 times 2 is 8. The next thing that comes next is additions. So I'm going to put a bracket around that. Then I'll do that first. 45 add 8 is 53. And finally, 60 take away 53 is 7. So this is how we use BIDMAS to do the correct order of operations.